Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do mashed potato. It's going to be restaurant quality, it's going to be quick, it's going to be simple, also a low calorie option as well with this mashed potato. So let's get into the video, let's cook. So first I've got my potatoes, lovely colour, nice, so I can discard them. So again, we just want to go all the way around the potato. And again, just discarding any little bits, bad bits or nasty bits. Like that, you can see. So we're just going to take that off there. Go around it again. Yeah. Now what you want to do is cut them evenly. So we want to cut them in half. Like that. Straight in. And then half again. Like that. Step is we just put enough water to cover the potatoes in. That's right, and then we put quite a bit of salt in. A touch of pepper, but mostly salt. There we are. Straight into the water, switch on, and let's get them boiling. So what we're going to serve with the mashed potato is this lovely shin of beef pie. It's got onions, carrots, it's got beef in it, it's got mushroom, and this is homemade, and the link's in the description. So don't forget to have a look at this recipe and cooking. So you want them just a gentle but rolling boil. So as you can see, it's got the salt, it's got the water in, and they're just gently rolling and boiling. The next bit is drain the water off and then put it on your stove on number 1 just to dry off. So you want to get that moisture out of the potato, that's really important. So when your potatoes dry, we've got potato ricer here, which is a very important thing. You can get them cheap, you can get them online, and they just make your potato really fine and good for mashed potato. We want to put about 3 or 4 pieces in, and then we want to push down on the ricer, and it'll make this nice fluffy mash potato. Again, put 2 or 3 in and then push down on it, and it'll make, just squeeze it, and I'll just go straight through. The dried potato in the bowl, and what we want to do is we want to add some flavour to it. I don't add cream. I add a little bit of butter and I add a little bit of olive oil. I don't really put cream in my mashed potato. I find it a little bit too creamy and a little bit rich. So I just put some nice olive oil in there, and I put a decent knob of butter in there, and salt and pepper. Pepper, freshly ground pepper, which adds a really good flavour combination to it as well. And you add some salt. Now you can do this with garlic as well and do a garlic mash, put herbs through it. You can put mustard through it, so you can do a mustard mash. It's completely up to you, but this is the base of mashed potato. And then we're going to give it a really good mix. As you can see, we're giving it a really good mix. Got this lovely hearty nice mashed potato. It's just coming together lovely. Try it, see what it's like, the seasoning, and if it's not got enough, just add, but you can never take away. So just keep trying it to see if it tastes lovely and it's got the correct seasoning. How you prep your piping bag for your mash, or any piping bag, you just roll it up. And then what you do is you put your hand sort of like it's a cup, and you cup it in a piping bag, and that's how you fill it. It's just easy. And then we're going to fill it with this parsley and butter and olive oil mash. Yeah, that's nice and warm. So we're just going to let that sit at the side. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.